Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus, and let me share with you how to change the 3 buttons navigation into the gestures in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this general list we have to scroll and find the display. Then let's scroll down and find this option, navigation bar. Let's tap, and of course if you've got the buttons, here you will have more options which are connected with them. So if you'll decide that you want to stick to this option, you can customize them here. So for example, reorder the back button and the recents. To set the gestures, simply tap on the swipe gestures, and instead of the 3 buttons we've got this line which is responsible for some actions. You can tap on more options to change the gesture sensitivity to lower or higher. It depends on your liking, and for example whether you've got the case on your device or not, then the sensitivity should be a little bit higher. So now a quick tutorial of how to use the gestures. If you want to get back to the previous page just like by using the back button, you have to swipe your finger from the side to the center of your device. You will have this arrow, and after releasing the finger you will go back. The same situation from the right side. If you want to get back directly to the home page, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and make sure that this motion is quick and short, like that. And if you want to open the recents, repeat the gesture, but hold your finger somewhere here, like that. And here you've got the recents. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.